We're working on a little EJ25 out of a 99 Subaru Outback. This is the dual overhead cam EJ25, and we're doing head gaskets. This thing developed a head gasket leak, so we've got it torn completely down. We're kind of resealing everything. We're going to do a water pump, full timing belt set on it. But one of the things that's tempting sometimes is to not pull off the oil pump here and replace that. Now there's an O-ring in here that's important to change out. Sometimes it'll kind of fold over itself. That's a good one to replace. And then the other thing that I was always taught to do is to double check these 5 screws on the back of the pump. And if you notice, usually they're tight, but on this one today, these are loose. They had just started working themselves out. So Jerry, that I used to work with all the time, he'd always just tighten all those down, make sure they were good to go. These two have actually started to work themselves out. So we're gonna torque those down. We're gonna replace this O-ring here, get a new one in there, and clean up this surface, reseal that. It only takes like 30 minutes to do that. Honestly, a new pump's not a lot. This is kind of a budget build, so we're just resealing the pump. But minimum, you want to pull that off, clean it up, torque these 5 screws, replace that O-ring, and usually just use like an anaerobic sealer on there to put that guy back on. Anyways, only takes a little bit longer. If you're this far into it, it's worth a look and it's worth doing. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you later.